Okay, today I'm going to explain how to use the electronic card catalog, and this is what it's going to look like when you click on the link. It will say the name of the school, and the main thing we'll use are these buttons, but then also this part right here that says accelerated reader. So we can change it to nothing, to not. So we'll do that first. So this first button is keyword. So I can type, let's say cats. Let's say you like cats and you want to have a book about cats. This tells you the books about cats that are at the Endeavor Library. So here they are right here. Lots and lots of books about cats. You can see down here it says 14 pages. You can click on this, on each title, to give you more information. Let me just show you here. See how this says EBRI? That means that's an everybody book or a picture book. And right here it'll tell you if it's AR. See, it's 0.3 and half a point. Okay, right here, this, it's under call number where you see that. This says 599. Anything with numbers in the call number means that it's non-fiction. That means it's facts about whatever the title of the book is. And here it says 4.5 and half a point. And then right here, look at here, let me find a different one. Here, Attack of the Bandit Cats, FIC, that means it's a fiction book. That means it's a chapter book. So here, 3.8 and 1 point. So you can kind of tell about the books just by looking at the call number. So let me just click on this one, A Cat's Quizzer, Are You Smarter Than the Cat in the Hat? So here we'll have a little summary of the book, and then it'll have more information down here, like if it was here it is right here, if it's AR. 2.0 and half a point. Okay, so don't go to the back sign, just go back to library search. Okay, so that is that. So now let's do the next button, is title. Let's say you already know what book you want. Maybe you want Charlotte's Web. Okay, let me tell you, it's very cranky about spelling. If you don't put the apostrophe, or if you only put one T, it's not going to go there. So you can go Charlotte's Web, title. Okay, here we go. There they are. Now over here, it says 3 of 3 available, and this one says 1 of 1 available. So we actually have 4, but later in the year, we'll start checking out books. So it might say 2 of 3 available, or it might say 0 of 3 available. That means we own 3, but they're all checked out. Okay, so same as with the last time, you can get the more information here. Wilbur the Pig, blah blah blah, and then you can see it's won a bunch of awards. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, author. Let's say you have a favorite author. So Lemony Snicket. So all the books are cataloged with the author's last name. So you have to look for you have to type the last name, S-N-I-C-K-E-T. So you look right there. I think I put 2 T's one time and it's only 1 T, I think. And there it is. Okay, so then there's all of the Lemony Snicket books. So then you could just, same as before, you could click on one, see, oh, you're like, hey, I've never heard of this one. Maybe I want to do this one. 4.0, oh, half a point. So that means it's a picture book, right? So, but here's the Austere Academy, 6.7 and 6 points. Okay. Library search. Author, that was author. Okay, subject, it's kind of the same as keyword. You can just say like dinosaurs or whatever. Okay, subject. Okay, so there's a bunch of books about dinosaurs, even dinosaur poems. 811, so that's nonfiction. Here's 9.2. This is about a guy who, artist and lecturer. So he probably drew pictures about dinosaurs, facts about dinosaurs, a dinosaur named Sue. Okay, lots of different things. Okay, and then up, the last one is series. So maybe Dork Diaries. D-I-A-R-I-E-S. Okay, series. Okay, there's all our Dork Diaries. Okay, so you can see if you haven't read one of those and if it's in. Okay, that is how those buttons work. Now let me show you this reading program. So if we put accelerated reader, then down here at the bottom it says AR level and point value. So let's say your reading range is 5.0, well let me say 3.0 to 5.0, okay? And let's say your teacher doesn't want you to get half point books, they want you to read books that are a little bit longer, so 4.0, 4 points and higher, okay? So then you just press enter, and then there we go. 20 pages of books in that range, okay? So this is a good way to find a book in your range, and then you can see, the Android. That sounds interesting. Let's see. Let me see if I'd like this one. Then you can read the summary, and then once you've decided, you're going to write the name of the book and the author on the request form. Remember, we're going to request a couple of books in case one of your choices is already checked out to a class who the librarian has checked out before. So that's how you use the electronic card catalog. Good luck.